Ayan yung hotel namin. Hotel B-Puff. Ang harap niyan is yung papuntang waterfalls. Ayan ang Ilog Pasig. Charot. Yung waterfalls pupunta namin tomorrow morning. And then, this is the south part of Bavarian area. Small town ng Germany. And it's called Freiburg. Ayan. Maghanap kami ng cake. Lahat? Lahat? Dahil kailangan namin kumain at itry ang Black Forest cake na well-known dito. Forest na forest. Ayan na si Black Forest. Kasi galing dito. Kaya may Black Forest dito. Amoy alcohol si Black Forest. Pa Black Forest na lang. Called apple what?
Apple strudel with warm vanilla sauce.
Mine is potato pancake with apple mousse and extra curriculum activity. Ang ganda ng structure ng ano nila. Tapos may ano doon bundok-bundukin. Hi! Thank you! No problem. Bye. Ciao! Ayan, uuwi na kami. Kailangan na namin magpahinga for tomorrow.